What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Trades, and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I talk about all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, the economic calendar, and what's really going on this week. So starting off with the economic calendar, we really have nothing going on unless you're a degenerate and you like these little companies here. But before I go ahead and start with Tuesday, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and what other stocks are you guys watching for this week. Just because I'm watching something doesn't mean you need to be watching it, right? Same thing goes for you guys. If you're watching something, maybe I like it enough and I'll just add it to my watch list. Is it something that I could see myself trading? Who knows? Also, if you haven't, on the main channel, I did drop a video, and if you haven't, join the Discord for free. It's every Wednesday. You get the live lessons, the courses at night, the pre-market reviews, the live trading, all that for free on Wednesday. Why wouldn't you join? Anyways, Tuesday you have Neo, CrowdStrike, Target, Ross, Box. That's about it. Wednesday you have JD, Foot Locker. Some of you guys like to play that. Other than that, there's really nothing there. Thursday, Costco, Kroger, BJ's, DocuSign. I've seen DocuSign move some or have some pretty big moves randomly. Friday, nothing there for me. So first thing we're going to talk about is Apple. It's been extremely weak compared to the market. Are the moves clean? No, but I also think the moves aren't clean because the market is moving higher. Apple's just, either falling behind when, it should be at least green for the day, or it's red for the day. For example, almost 1%, 0.5% on Apple here, $1 on Friday, while the S&P 500 was up about 1%. So complete opposite on Apple. Now, is this enough for me to trade it? No, because the moves haven't been clean. I'm kind of looking at this as if we get a reversal in the market, this will be the first one to go, just because how weak this is. I will pay attention, obviously. Now, if I see a divergence when the market's weak and then Apple starts pushing, then I know that's not my trade. But for now, this is my side watch for something in the future. Maybe not this week, maybe not next week, but Apple's pretty weak. The moves just aren't clean enough for me to catch to the downside. Maybe I could have played this on Friday below 179, but it's a slow mover. You guys know I like to play the fast moving stocks, but if I do get a weakness in the market and Apple's the first, I'll be watching Apple to be the first to slip. So that's something. First thing on the list, SMCI. Looks like it'll be added to the S&P 500. I think they announced that Friday. That's why the stock is up over $100 now. All-time high is 1080. Are we going to come back up there? It's SMCI. I wouldn't be surprised to see this stock at 1500, But yeah, I will be watching this above 1050, then obviously 1080, and then 1100. Now, SMCI isn't something where you can put pinpoint, resistance lines and key levels. SMCI has a mind of its own, so I wouldn't recommend this to new players, and I base this off of momentum. Next thing I'm watching is Nvidia at 826 here after hours. 826 here after hours, all-time highs as per usual for this stock. Not surprised. It takes a dip. We dropped down to 770 from 823. Now we're right back at it, and we're actually higher now. So I am watching Nvidia to the upside. These are setups that are looking really nice, actually. Obviously, I'll be looking at 830, but who knows where Nvidia will open. So always pay attention to my Instagram, because I will be posting if I do see updates throughout the week. Nor trade, stock hours, and trade like Nor. But currently I'm watching Nvidia to the upside as well. Now, another stock that we talked about last week, Tesla, finally breaking out of its wedge here, but it's also consolidating at this 205 level. So what I'm looking for on this stock is we can't seem to get above 205.40, 205.50. What I will be doing is looking at 206 as our breakout level. So if we can get a 206 breakout on Tesla, I will be watching the next resistance at 210, because that's just a psychological level. But my next actual level is at 212. So this is looking nice. I am watching Tesla here for this week. Consolidating. I love consolidations. Contracts lose a little bit of value. And we also have the rest of the gap here to fill. So watching 206.46 as the rest of the gap to fill, but it's far deeper than that on Tesla. It's not just a gap fill that we're looking at. That's only another dollar. The last thing I'm watching for this week, not really the last thing, these are just the 4-5 main plays that I'm watching for this week that have actual real setups, rather than all right, we see this pushing, we're looking at this. But AMD, I caught this on Friday. Insane stock this week, actually. Look at this. But yeah, I caught the 200 break on AMD. I got in around 199. It was Friday, same day contract, so they obviously paid really nicely. So I didn't need to hold for that long. Does AMD move good enough for me? It does, honestly. It just makes it. As far as recently as well, AMD has been moving very, very nicely. So I'm watching this AMD play. Now, where are we going to open on Monday morning? Can't even tell you. Have no idea. But 205 is something that I'm watching. We're also at all-time highs. So from here on out, I have to base it off of momentum, whether I'm buying on a dip. I don't want to be buying at highs, especially if we're getting rejections. AMD can have some fast ones. As you can see on Friday, the rejection here in the morning. What is this? 253, right back down to 196, and then continued down to 195, all the way back up to 201. So the 4 stocks that I'm watching this week is Nvidia, SMCI, Tesla, AMD. Not only that, I have Apple in the back of my mind. Just in case the market shows any signs of weakness, I am watching Apple as the first one to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.